Is your Samsung Galaxy phone screen looking a little off? Let's fix those colors and get them back to normal. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. You'll see a small gear icon in the top right corner. Tap that to access your main settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the display option. It usually has a small monitor icon next to it. Tap on display to open up the display-related settings. Now, within the display menu, look for an option called Screen Mode or Screen Mode and Comfort. Tap on this to reveal different color settings. Here, you might find presets like Vivid and Natural if your colors seem too saturated, or Unnatural. Selecting Natural is often the best way to revert to the default color profile. If you see an option simply called Standard, that's usually the factory setting. Sometimes, accessibility features can alter your screen's color. Scroll further down in the display settings and look for options like a comfort shield or blue light filter. If these are turned on, tap on them to toggle them off. By disabling these features, you're removing any artificial color adjustments that might be affecting your screen's appearance. And just like that, your Samsung Galaxy phone screen should be back to its normal, crisp, and accurate colors. Enjoy your perfectly displayed photos and videos.